Well, it's another day delivering road base for a walkway at the Steampunk November grounds. Here we will be getting set up to spread one of many walkways. Now to get the load uncovered and set up the tailgate to spread. Now you can see I hook up the chains on the tailgate, so it will only open a few inches. Now that we have the trailer in position, we can start spreading. By maintaining an even speed, you can control the thickness. As you can see by setting the tailgate to open a few inches, the material is evenly spread from the trailer. Well, that is another walkway put down for Steampunk November. If you would like more information about Steampunk November, I will leave a link down below.
Like what you've seen, if it helped you out, great. Like, subscribe, share. More of this to come. Thanks for watching.